YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? No, I'm a little sick right now. I'm a little under the weather, you feel me? So today, we're gonna be putting my GT air intake, put it on the screen. It's probably gonna be like right here, somewhere. You feel me? Somewhere right there. And we're gonna be installing that today on the Scat because my air filter is done and I need something new and I wanted some nice shit, you feel me? I wanted the top of the line shit. So we about to install that today. I'm gonna show you what it looks like right quick. All right, y'all, so this is it right here. This is the GT Momentum air intake right here. This is what it looks like.
Nice.
This the piece. What happened?
Your shit was loose already.
Yeah, get that shit up out of there, man. We ain't want that old shit up in there, man. We gonna get this shit right. Look, that's a new intake right there. Yeah. So yeah. Nah, there we go. So you said this one's already loose?
Yeah, it was loose right there.
This one's already loose, yo.
You want to get this rubber off. Easy.
Alright, y'all, we got that part loose.
Get out of here. We gotta look at it.
Yeah, this was disgusting. This shit need to go. I ain't never like that.
Shit, no, it was loose.
Hey, yo, what the hell? That shit was already loose. What the fuck? Yo. That joint was already loose, yo. Look, this is the intake right here. Some American muscle.
It's starting to be put in here.
Slide right in there. Alright, y'all, so we gotta remove that plastic piece out of the old one and put it in this one right here.
I'll take this first.
Plastic piece out.
I gotta pop this off first. This off. Gotta pop that off first. Like that. Just like that, and then there you go. Just like that. Boom.
Yeah, we gotta wipe that shit down before we put the new one in there. You know, we a little extra and shit, so we gotta wipe all up in there and shit. Yeah, so this is how you would get to the light. This is easy to get to the light bulb if you take the air intake off. It's easy to get to the light bulbs.
Oh yeah.
No, pretty small. Alright, y'all, we got that put in. So we just got this a little loose, so that's what's holding it in for real.
Bam. How we want these letters to say, Marion? Let me see.
Put the new lip on too. She's looking nice, bro. She's looking good, bro. I might get a. Oh my god. That shit's beautiful, bro. That shit makes the engine bay look so much nicer. But yeah, that's the new GT Momentum performance intake. Yeah, y'all, this is the wheel right now. Bill's coming along. We lowered on H&R springs. We put the lip on. We did the wicker bell. We did the diffuser. Oh, that's so bad. What am I doing? What am I doing? Don't ever do that. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, but murdered out, bro. I want this car murdered out, and I might do wide body. Let me know if I should do wide body, y'all. Y'all gotta let me know. I'll do wide body for y'all if y'all want me to. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I might just put on for the slim body gang. I'm thinking about putting on for the slim bodies. You feel me? But I don't know. Let me know what I should do, y'all. She's looking right, man. My dad, I ain't gonna lie. My dad is one of the best, hands down, car wash guys ever, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I don't know how he does it with the wheels. It just look crazy when they get done. Yo, so I was going to the gas station making a reel, and I fucking found this big ass lot, bro. This joint is in the tuck. Oh bullshit. What's good with y'all boys, man? I ain't gonna lie. I haven't gave y'all guys a POV video in a long time, so we about to get a little POV drop. Look at baby girl right now. She looking good, bro. Ooh. God damn. Bro, tell me baby girl not looking right. This is heaven for us. This is fucking heaven for us, bro. I found this joint right before 2024. 2024 about to be up. Little do I know these niggas got cameras like, oh, yeah, we got this dumb nigga already. Look, stupid. Dumb as hell. I got a lot of shit on my phone, man. I ain't gonna lie. I got a lot of videos and shit, so I gotta hurry up and get this POV driving before I run out of space on my phone. So let's get it. I don't know why traction controls off, bro. Officer Adams, I promise you, I'm just, about to pull off gently.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
We got security on watch. I'm about to just dip out of here. Oh! All right, man. Let's get this POV driving for y'all boys, man. I'm gonna go to the gas station and then we're gonna head to the crib. You feel me? Make sure boy not trying to press me. If he was trying to press me, you already know what it's gonna be.
The chase, nigga, and I'm not stopping.
Don't make me hit that motherfucker. Oh, I got traction control off. I better chill. Hold on, I ain't even trying to spin or nothing right now. Let me turn that. Hold on. All right, y'all, we back with the POV drive, man. POV drive in the rain. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it, man. I gotta be careful though. I can't be hitting it too hard because these cars slip out so easy in the rain. Woo! I hear it popping. My God, I feel like my shit's been popping more since I put the air intake in. My shit breathing better now. Oh look, I just slipped right there. See, I slipped easy, bro. I'm barely in the gas and I'm slipping. Testing the new intake out. Oh, I can't even go. I would have slipped there easy. Look, oh my God, bro. Fishtail crazy. I don't know what the fuck. Oh, hold on, should I hit it? I be John. Hit the corner. Oh, it better not be no deers back in this motherfucker. Rear wheel drive is fun, bro. Not gonna lie. Dashing through the snow.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Oh my God. That shit's so fun. Alright, I gotta chill. I'm gonna fishtail out. Before I fishtail out. We can get some shifts in now. Shifts in.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Oh my God, I heard the intake. I heard the intake there. Yeah, that GT shit nasty. That shit said, yo, what the fuck? That was lit. Echo through the trees. That's it, downstairs. For cutting up in this rain like this in one hand. I know niggas like, yo, get a fucking GoPro, dumbass. I'm a risky man. Let's get it. Ooh. It's too easy to spin out in this car. Y'all, that was a little POV, man, the rain. Let me know if I should go wide body, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I might go wide body or I'll put on for the slim bodies, you feel me? Just let me know what you guys want me to do, man. Sub if you're new, drop a like, leave a comment, man. It's your boy SRT Rick, man. We out.
I told my soldiers suit up, go to war, let's show 'em we not playing. Let's keep up on these niggas, hit that cutlass, let these hollows change them. Bullets I sling them, we don't shoot before we get up close and bang them. I think we flame them, think we face a ranger, we turk them boys, they angels.